Once you have assigned an order to a courier, then it is time to get the shipment ready for the pickup. There are 3 important documents that you need before handing over the shipment with the pickup executive: invoice, shipping label, manifest. You can download the invoice and shipping label of a shipment from the Ready to Ship tab by clicking on the 3 dots and then clicking on the Download Invoice to download the invoice and Download Label to download the shipping label. To download the manifest, you need to first schedule a pickup. After scheduling a pickup, you can download the manifest from the Pickups and Manifest tab and click on the Download Manifest button to download the manifest for all the shipments for the particular day assigned to a courier. Once you have downloaded these documents, print them. Properly fold and place the invoice inside the shipment package. Place the shipping label properly on the front face of the package such that it is clearly visible. Do not fold the shipping label or paste it on corners, blocking its visibility. Pro tip: once the shipment is packed, make sure to click its images on a weighing scale and a measuring scale across its borders, showcasing the dead weight and dimensions of the package as a proof in case a weight discrepancy is raised by the courier. During the handover of the shipment, ensure to get the manifest signed from the pickup executive as a proof of handover.